Hey guys, how are you? Chris Kersner here, not a typical flipper, to share with you another amazing transformation here in Haskell, New Jersey. All right, what we did is we took a single story, 800 square foot ranch, and we blew it up and we blew it back. And when we did that, we created this great 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home with huge closets in every single room. All right, and for this area, huge closets is like a unicorn. You hear about them, but you never see them. All right, the reason that is the case is because about 100 years ago, when this town was founded, the largest employer was DuPont. And when DuPont employed the area labor, they ended up creating a lot of the homes in this area so that people had somewhere to live. And when they created these homes, most of them had virtually no closet space. So when you think about Haskell, New Jersey, unfortunately, there isn't many homes, unless they were completely redone, that have large closets. So that had to be a critical design element in the home when we designed this one, all right? But now that we've taken care of the absolute necessary criteria with the closet size, now we combine that with all this other cool stuff that we did here. So let's start walking through now. All right, we blew open this entire floor plan. There used to be a bedroom there, the kitchen and the entrance was over here, and the living room was right there. All right, what we did is we basically completely opened this up. It was basically like a giant rock stage, you know, like right before a concert. That's all you had left here was a stage. All right, and then we built it up. We got rid of anything that was an issue in terms of wood damage, all new lumber, all new electric, plumbing, installation, siding, roofing, windows, doors, like I love to do in these houses. This one had every single one of those elements as well. We created an awesome office over here. Okay, so especially in today's day and age where people are working remotely, all right, the more and more people work remote, the more and more you need a space to work remote in. Well, where do you usually work remote, right? It's usually going to be the living room or a bedroom. Not in this house. In this house, we actually have an actual formal office. We got a bay window, we got a full closet here right behind me, and you're literally able to park it here, computers, printers, whatever you need, and you can still leverage this as a 5th bedroom if you wanted to because of that big closet, all right? And then as we walk through this spot here, we have the dining room element right to the side of the kitchen. We have this great 12-inch overhang on the center island, which gives you about 3 spots for chairs. We have these Edison light bulbs with this pendant light hanging down from the ceiling with a clear glass. And take a look at this amazing Viscount white granite. Look at these veins that come through this granite. You just don't find this in flips. It's beautiful. It's something that I do in all my houses. I always go a step up, if not 5 steps up, in terms of quality, in terms of design. And even if you look at this backsplash, you've got the grays, the whites, and the black. And if you look at this granite, it ties it all back together. Same thing, you have the grays, the white specks, you have the black lines, the veins that go through it, all tie back into that backsplash. And it goes all the way throughout, up behind this stove, which again, another signature of mine is controls on the front, not in the back. It takes that really nice backsplash all the way down to the bottom, so you can really enjoy it. Again, we've got this great vent hood above, my signature sink, stainless steel farmhouse sink with the elements that you can literally put right into it. The other thing that we did here is we had the window originally where the fridge is, all right? And that window looked into the driveway. You really didn't have a nice, visual. So when we designed this kitchen, we wanted to make sure that we were able to put the sink in a spot where you feel like you have some sort of outdoor experience, where you can see the kids playing, where you can see, your guests and basically just really enjoy that function when you have to be in the kitchen without losing the element of entertainment. Or again, if the kids are outside playing this great 125-foot backyard, you want to be able to watch them. It's very easy to do in this kitchen. Same thing with the appliances. We've got all Whirlpool appliances in here again. Same handle sets. We hid the microwave into the island, out of sight, out of mind. And I understand microwaves are used and they're absolutely necessary in a house, but think about it. You use it for 30 seconds, maybe twice a day. Why have that up above the stove in your way? And quite frankly, just kind of taken away from some of the cool things in the kitchen, like this great backsplash. All right, follow me this way. When I said we went back, I meant it, right? this used to be the backyard. All right, when this design came to me, I asked myself, how can I add even more value to this house? And one of the cool things is when you do have a garage, you want to be able to park in it and go right into the house, right? You don't want to have to worry about the rain or the snow or any of those elements. So guess what? This door used to be a door from the garage to the backyard. And now as soon as you park in the garage, you go right through this door and you're in your home. All right. We added this really cool electric fireplace with a modern amber glass and this really nice wood mantelpiece here. Crown molding above. Nice 9-foot ceiling, and it just, quite frankly, makes it look really big, really open, and a nice spot for entertainment, family, friends, kids, whatever it may be. And we also did the grills here, the grills on top of the windows. Again, it gives it an element of a little bit more personality, it gives it a little bit more of that custom feel to it. So as we come back up over here, you'll see our first full bath on the main level. All right, we actually have this built in where it used to be the kitchen and the entrance to the house. This, what used to be the entrance to the house, is now actually a gas water heater. On demand, you never run out, high efficiency. All right, why do we do that? Well, because before, this house has a crawl space and all of the mechanicals were in the crawl space, the water heater, the furnace. And who wants to go into a crawl space to maintain it? Who wants to go down there to change a filter or to drain it or do whatever, or replace it? So when I was designing this house, I wanted to bring all of the elements out of the crawl space, and that's exactly what we did. And we leveraged this area here in the bathroom to be able to actually do exactly that. And if you come in here with me, you have a full bath. All right, same thing. I like to do tile all the way to the ceiling. We've got this great design with chevron black mixed with this city slate gray tile. And again, you've got the modern elements, you've got the vessel sink, really all comes together. We're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you 4 full true bedrooms and one of my favorite master baths I've done. All right, welcome to the second floor. We have 4 full bedrooms up here. Every inch of this house was taken into account. All right, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. And one of the really cool elements here, at the end of the hallway, we shortened that closet just by a little bit, and we had a nice linen closet here for the new buyer. All right, so the towels, the vacuum, whatever it is, it's right here for your convenience. All right, let's take a look at bedroom number 3. I don't want to show all bedrooms because they get boring. They are just a square box. But again, check this giant closet out. All right. For this area, a closet this size is typically found maybe in a master bedroom, but definitely not as a standard of all 3 bedrooms, which is what we've done here today. Let's take a look at the second full bath. And also what we did is we brought, because what do we do with the laundry room, right? So we actually ended up bringing the laundry room section upstairs. There isn't a full laundry room, but really at the end of the day, since the bedrooms are right here, you would actually do, from a workflow perspective, you would do your laundry and just go right to your bedrooms, you know, put it right away. You don't have to worry about lugging baskets up, lugging baskets downstairs, and worrying about all that. So that's what you see here behind me right now is basically where you do a stackable laundry on the second floor. Very convenient. Maybe not ideal from a laundry room perspective, but definitely ideal from a use case perspective, how a new buyer is actually going to use the house. All right, take a look at the second bathroom, okay? We've got this really cool blue vessel sink that ties back to the blue grain tile back here that you see. Very modern, very slick, and again, something you really don't see in most houses. And again, another one of my signatures, you'll see that all 3 of the bathrooms here as well, is the shower panel. Massage jets, waterfall head, and the spout on the side as well. All right, we've got the colonial doors again throughout, and we did a Sherwin-Williams Jubilee paint here in this house, which actually makes it feel very, very modern, very clean, and very open. It just builds on that feeling. All right, over here what we have is the master bedroom. We did a cathedral ceiling. We did this nice pendant light. Bed would be back here. We're already wired for a hanging TV over there. A nice window that shows you, again, your beautiful big backyard. And then this great master bathroom which is really unique because I've never actually done a wood grain tile that's polished. We did a river rock backsplash, we did a copper sink, hanging vanity, and then over here we've got the same shower panel. We did a river rock ceiling mosaic and a river rock base. Matched with this chrome shower sliding door. It really is just absolutely stunning. Take a look at this tile. You can't, it looks like stone, but it's wood grain, right? Because of that polished finish. All right, so again, this house went through a tremendous transformation. Everything you can imagine about it was completely redone. And you know what? I've had nothing but great feedback so far from the neighbors, and great feedback from people who have seen the house so far. And I'm hoping that you enjoyed this walkthrough just as much. I'm Chris Kersna. I'm not a typical flipper, and thank you for joining me today.